Yo, what's up, everybody? Hey, girl. Girl on the bed. Anyways, today I'm going to. Well, I'm gonna try to make a forge for metalworking, and from it, make metal parts. So, right here we have. It's gonna basically be the forge itself. I have sand outside that I got from this Home Depot, and plaster of Paris. Gonna mix this equal parts with the sand. Put it into here, and hopefully, by the time I'm done, we get a forge. Let's see what happens. Yeah. All right. Gotta make the heating tube where the heat's gonna come in from. I'll just pick any side on the tank. Right there. I thought of a better idea. Instead of measuring cups inside of cups and then putting in the thing, I think I'm just gonna pour out the whole plaster and then fill the plaster box with sand and then pour that in as well and then mix it up. I think it'll work better. Save more time and it's a whole lot easier. Now what we're gonna use in the middle as our thingy. Let's see. Well, I guess. What am I going to use as the middle? What do we got? Something has to be round. Spherical. I'm stumped. Pringles can, I guess.
Okay, I kind of jumped a couple of steps. Step number one that I jumped was to get a cylinder to put in the middle, the size of the kiln, or size of the whatever you're using, and then to put a tube, make sure it's metal, from the outside going in to the middle part, because that's where the heat's gonna come in from. Now what's left to do is to mix the plaster and the sand and add water and then let it sit, and then it'll be done. Semi-done. Let's get to it.
Okay, so remember we said equal parts plaster, sand, and water. Let's get this puppy open. It's like opening up a milk carton. And there's the milk. I probably can't see it, but whatever. Let's speed this up and do a little tap.
We have a mix right here of plaster of Paris and sand, equal parts. And we gotta get it nice and mixed up. I was mixing for about 10 minutes. It feels like there's still some clumps of sand hiding in the plaster. Although I put the plaster first, but it doesn't make sense. Just make sure it's nice and mixed. And then it's 1 part water for each part plaster. Plaster and sand in this case. So I don't know how much that would be, so I'm just gonna see until it gets to mix until it gets a consistency that looks about right. Let's get that water. Okay. So you're gonna want to mix real slowly.
This is what it looks like when it's dry. Pretty dry. Yeah, it's dry. It's probably as hard as a rock. Hard as a chalk. That's pretty freaking hard. And you gotta pull this sucker out. And then excuse me, take out this plastic container thingy. I don't still know how I'm gonna do that, but try clean this up a little bit. Get rid of all these crumbs. Make it nice and smooth. And then we'll be ready to get our first. Oh, we still gotta put the legs on. But after the legs, we'll be ready for the first test. See what happens.
So, here. Where do we begin? It's been a journey which has led me to this moment in time right now.
Okay, I just cooled out, yanked out the exhaust pipe or the heating pipe, whatever this is.